Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys. Today we'll be going over the benefits of using a foam cannon versus a foam blaster. I'm Team Foam Blaster, especially using our brand new Foam Blaster Easy. This thing is super amazing, so I'm Team Foam Blaster. Paulina?
And I'm Team Roadie Foam Cannon.
So in the comment section down below, before we get into this video, comment down below and let us know, are you Team Foam Blaster or Team Foam Cannon? I ain't gonna lie, I think I'm gonna win.
I think I'm gonna win.
Anyways guys, let's get right into it. Whenever you're using the Foam Blaster Easy, you will be needing a garden hose because it does come with a nozzle that's going to help you rinse your car off. All you want to do is just screw it on directly onto your garden hose. And then after it's fully screwed on, turn on your water, and then you also can just go ahead and press down to rinse the surface of your car down. It also has a quick release fitting right here, which is going to allow you to swivel on and quickly attach your Foam Blaster Easy to your garden hose. And look, there's a swivel to it, so it's always staying straight. You're also going to have the ability to remove this nozzle up front and choose your foam vertical or horizontal. The choice is yours. Depending on the size of the car, that's how you go about it. It also has a dial up top, which is going to allow you to adjust your foam from 1 all the way to 5. I always like to just play around with it. Me personally, I'm a big fan of speed setting number 3, but the choice is yours, obviously. So today I will be washing this Tiguan using our Maxi Suds II. This Maxi Suds II is going to be a great soap to follow it up after the hands-off pre-foam that Paulina's gonna be putting on with the foam cannon. But anyways guys, I'm gonna show you guys how simple and fun it is to use this foam blaster right after we're done with hands off.
With our Roadie Foam Cannon, you'll be needing a pressure washer, which is why we have our quick connector right here that is fitted for all standard pressure washers. I'm quickly gonna grab my siphon and attach it right here where the gold part is. Place it onto your bottle and twist it on. And now for today's wash, I'll also be using our hands-off pre-wash snow foam. So let's get into it. Now it's time to get into our touchless wash with our hands-off pre-wash. And I'm gonna pour 3 ounces. Now it's time to grab our lid and seal it on. And then we're gonna get into the process of setting it up with the pressure washer. Now, let's foam her up. All right guys, so right here with this nozzle, you're able to direct how wide you want the soap to come out. So right here is already set to the widest setting. Close it a little bit, you get a little bit of a thinner set coming out.
All right, so as you guys can see, Paulina used the Roadie Foam Cannon to foam up the whole entire car using hands off. Hands off is a pre-foam, so it's going to allow you to remove all the filth and grime. Now it's time for me to go with the contact wash using our Maxi Suds II. But before we do that, I am gonna be using my nozzle just to rinse it all off clean. And then after that, I'm gonna foam it up. All right, Paulina, so now I'm tagging you out. Great job on doing the foam. I'm tagging you out. All right. My turn.
Bye.
So now that I rinsed off the whole entire soap, now it's time to go into our contact wash. So now all I just want to do is pull back on the sleeve, attach my foam gun already on there. And then remember, there's a dial up top that's going to allow you to adjust your foam. So this is speed setting 5. It's very, very sudsy. So you can go speed setting 5. If you want less foam, you go 0. As you guys can see, it's like rinsing your car down. So the choice is yours. You could just twist this dial, like I mentioned to you guys before. I like number 3, because number 3 gives me the perfect coverage. But the cool thing about this Foam Blaster Easy as well, you can remove this nozzle and then just put it vertical. So like on the side panels, it's a lot easier to cover all the foam. Look, check this out. Now there is gonna be a big difference. Whenever you're using a foam cannon, obviously you're having a little bit more pressure coming out of your pressure washer and the foam's gonna stick. Now using the Foam Blaster Easy, it's still doing a great job at getting the suds sitting on it. It's not sticking as much as a foam cannon. Me personally, I'm lazy sometimes and I don't wanna bring out the pressure washer. So by keeping this on hand, it's going to do a great job at allowing me to foam up my whole entire car with ease of use of a garden hose. Look, easy coverage, really, really easy. And there you guys have it. You guys saw a difference between an easy foam blaster compared to the Roadie Foam Cannon. The choice is yours. As always, if you guys do want to pick up these products today, tap the link down below. And if you guys want to see a thorough wash on how to wash a car, check out the link down below as well. We have tons of links right there for all of our videos. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I ain't gonna lie, Paulina, I think I won.
I think I won. But let's go ahead and leave that up to the commenters.
What did you say?
Let's leave it up to the commenters.
All right, let's leave it up to the commenters. As always, I'm Henry. That's
I'm
Paulina. and we'll see you guys next time. You want to trade?
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Ah.